Okay, hello. Hi guys. Probably you know, right? Okay, we are come from what we saw yesterday. If we sing right, we will good results. It is my first shot when I was young. I always thought everything come from hard working, not by chance. So I tried my best for my life. I never hopeless because I want something better. I didn't want to stay the same of my family. I just want and need success. I don't want to be my life stay poor. Finally, I try to study hard and harder from day to day. After 12 years later, in learning, I got past my exam. From here, I started to change my life forever, because everything we start from hard working. I want to tell you, you know, if you want to success in life, don't forget to sing the right thing and try it your best to do again and again. When you do it again and again, and you don't be hopeless in your life, you think it positively. After a few months, a few years, you will get a good result in your life. Okay, you know, my early year when I was young, I don't know anything. I don't know about success in life. I don't know about the way how to get success. I don't know everything. But you know, when I try to think and I look around myself, I see, oh, if we don't start today and we don't try hard, we cannot get anything in our life. We stay the same, poor and poor. Yes, this is a real thing. So you don't be afraid. You don't careless. You don't be afraid of your doing anything new, but especially you try it forever. Yeah, and I think the only one that is can give us a chance success when we think positively and we do it again and again, even though it cannot, even though it unsuccess in our life, in our doing. You don't hope, you don't you don't careless, right? You don't careless. Try it again. When you try again, you will get it, and you get experience, you get skill. Yes, you get skill, some skill you, and then you learn from that fella. Yes, you learn from that fella. You know yourself, who you are and what you like. This is the best way for us Anyone don't know about this? If you do this, example, when you like something and you try to do again and again, even though it unsuccessful, but you still enjoy or loving doing it again and again. This is the nick, yeah, the nick of you, or the nick is the best that you love it to do. You try, you find, or you read the book to change anything. Okay, to change anything. When you do this and you try it, but everything, but the most important, yeah, the most important, you have to you like, you have your mind, you love reading. Reading is the best point, in our develop our mind, or develop anything, right? Anything. When you do this, you develop it. We call develop a self development, right? We call self development. When you have a self development, you can control our mind, control our heart, control our body, control our habit. Everything is the best way for us. Okay? Don't careless. Don't be hopeless. Yeah? Don't be hopeless. Try to think positively in life. You try to be optimistic. Look around. Yeah, everything around us is the lesson. Yeah, everything around us is a lesson we can learn from. Even though things, people, even or nature, we sing a lot. When we sing from day to day, we get smarter and smarter in our life. When you should stuck in solving problem, it tells you the way, and it make you easy to think or to find the good way to do that. This is a good way, right? Okay, you know, when you want to do anything, you have only one thing. It's a good purpose. When you have a clear or good purpose for our life, it is good for our way to take a journey to do there. Yeah, it's not far. It's nearly almost there. You know? Okay. So this is important for us, for you and for me today. I share my experience life. Yeah. Thank you. See you later. Goodbye.